Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. But today I am in the hideaway.
Hi guys, Kacey hi sogli. Today is Tuesday. Joel off alala. So weather boro ha mo taka early morning सांगेले आम भुरग्यांक हुई बाय सोर्या कितें आम सोदां घरा कडेन आसताय आनी लायक तो ना म्हूण आमकां भायरूय सरपा मेळना बिकॉज ऑफ द कार घेवन कामां वयता सो हांवें ताका सकाळ फुडें सांगिल्लें आयज भुरग्यांक घेवन हुंय या आनी बिकॉज इट्स नायस एंड सनी सो आमी हिंगा आमगे थिंगा एक हें आहा प्ले एरिया आहा थिंग आमी भुरग्यांक घेवन येयलोली दिस प्लेस हे प्ले एरिया हायडवे म्हणटाय सो आमी थिंग येयलोली आनी जॉयल आमकां हिंग सोडला आनी तो जिमा गेला बिकॉज तेगे रेस्ट ऑफ द डे ही हॅज सम कोर्स टू बी डन सो ताका हिंग रावपा मेळो ना नाजाल्यार ताका जिमा वचपा मेळना सो ही हॅड टू गो टू द जीम आनी आमी हिंग येयला इट्स व्हेरी नायस एंड सनी आनी हिंग भुरग्यांक खेळपा बरें आहा सारकें सगलें लायक आवटडोर एक्टिविटीज आनी इंडोरूय बी हा ताका आमी इंडोर वयलो ना बिकॉज हांवें म्हणल्यार आयज वत येयलो हा सो लेट देम प्ले आवटडोर इंडोरूय बी आहा हिंगा हांव मागीर तुमकां दाखयता मग एक सायडी फोना बॅटरी डावन आहा हांव मागीर आल गेट बॅक टू यू गायज सो गायज हें सगलें खेळपा एरिया आहा ती व्हडलो हो हिंगा आवटडोर जीम आहा आनी हिंग सगलें लॉन एरिया हिंग बसपा मेळटा इफ इट्स अ बीग ग्रूप यू कॅन कम एंड सीट हियर हिंगाचे ऑब्स्टिकल कोर्स आहा मागीर हिंगा भुरग्यांक खेळपाचें जायतें आहा स्लायड आहा सो हिंगा xylophone आहा आनी sandpit आहा a lot more things which I can't even tell and which I don't even know what they are called so Kacey सारकें एन्जॉय कोत्ता आयज is taking full advantage of the weather today and say so yeah bakaraचे बरो बसोन आहा हिंगा बाकार ओत घेता finally I think he's getting used to wearing the short sleeves and short pant so you like it Kacey? Good. We're enjoying Kacey?
Yeah. Stop.
Kacey, do you like it? You like it Kacey?
Stop. I want to go.
Okay. Where is Kacey? Where is Kacey? Where is Kacey? Come on the slide. Good boy. Come on, sit down. Sit down. Good. 1, 2, 2, 3. Patti zapat eh?
One. I will come on this slide.
Okay, go. That is small. Go on this one. ते सायडीक गेलो हांव येश रावता दुसरे स्लायडी सायडा इचय
The other one.
इचय
I'll come down.
Good. Good boy. Kacey, you like it? You enjoying? That's it. Kids are like that. What is it, Kacey? Drun, drun, drun. Drun, drun, drun. Nice? Kacey, you like it?
Yeah.
You enjoying? कोणाचो येतो तो सकाळू?
This.
Huh?
This.
It's nice?
Yeah.
What is it? It's a horse ride.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Horse ride.
I want to go.
Kason?
Mama.
Yes. Dale?
Mama.
Yes. Oh, Tsuyata. Tsui. Where is Kason? Kason is here hiding. Where is Kason? Where is Kason is here hiding? It's nice? You like it? Ding dong. बरे हाँ इंगा बुर्ग्या हेडपा आणि if the weather is nice, it's very nice to play in here. Hands are Kacey coming on the slide. Come on. 1, 2, 3, Kacey, come on. So Kason देखो आता. Look, Kacey. Kason देखो आता on that slide. Kacey, come back this side. Now dottu kayo. Masha slide away lowly slide down pa Masha bita. Come on, Kason, sit down on the slide. Good. Kason is also coming behind you. Come. Well done. 1, 2, 3. Kai na go. Good. Chala na.
I did a play.
Yeah, break mari teo pa de. That's fine.
I don't like.
Kason he gelo. तो ओर सारखं टेरेसीचेर रावल्ल्या भशेचे. He likes it. Oh, go on. Good. Good. That's a Inga. Hindur. Go.
Wow.
Os. Huh? Os mungo.
Because I did see.
What you see?
Some.
ते साइडी सोयत मला एश सोडले मा खबर ना. Well done, Kacey. Good. Begin. Good. Come, Kason, come this side. Kason, this side. This side on the slide. Come on. तो तेज गेलो स्टेपांचे देव. Come on. Go, Kacey, go. ओ आपण यायचं. अरे तू का जाता? Kason?
I lit it up.
Yes, good.
Okay, I'm for you, so that's why I can climb up and.
Yeah. Atte teacher sadya.
Where?
Get down from the other side. Actually, pondi chaila. Kacey, this side you go. Kacey, this side. Come from this side. This side is sadya. Get down, come on, you can do it.
I'm scared.
You have to practice all this, Kacey. Good. Well done. Yo, on dotta. Chui ta only patti. I close out chuinga. Good. Take the tunnel सारको like झाला ते साइड स्टेप वयल्यान चडटा आणि ते टनला वयता. And what Kacey is doing? Oh, Kacey is sitting in the restaurant, I think.
Yeah,
What would you? Tea party. Okay. What would you like to order, madam?
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread and even some juice. Orange juice.
Orange juice and garlic bread. Okay, madam.
Mama.
Dancing हुई कोता एक साइड ही ना. कर को ड्रम कर को. Nice? And Kacey, no, so has it. Eta down.
Let's do this one.
Down. Eta, come on, Kacey, come on. Come, drum. देखो देखो रे बेबी देखो देख good boy.
I couldn't reach that side.
It's fine, Kacey. You have to do other side. So te side is look, there are two of it. Yes, do there. Well done. Is that musical, Kacey? Musical instrument?
I like it. It's nice to know. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Okay, so anything we get la zada ni so ya. Da one ya. Hey, huaita. Hey, huaita. Come this side, Kacey. Come. Kacey, tu kit kota?
I am doing the obstacle course.
Doing obstacle course?
I need to balance to do the obstacle.
Okay, you're doing balancing. Okay, come on. Well done. Oh. Come.
When you see the spider, you need to do.
So do you get scared of spiders?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Take it kota hatai?
No.
Then
I'm so scared for it.
begin chalu lai naka.
I can go up.
Go on. The spider ha choi chalata ta spider ha te polache. Ete je ago. Come on that. Yeah, stand on that and then go on the balancing beam. Good. Well done. Go on. Good girl. Go on. Well done. It's wobbly? Okay.
I like wobbly.
Oh. Go on. And then come on here.
There.
Yes, and then come on here. Yeah, this side. And then you have to walk on this rope.
Why did it go down?
Teshan ko asote why it is gone down. No? Why it is called obstacle course then? It is an obstacle for you to pass that. Eh? Ta joile aspas hai. Tu bitoile hoita. So anything else? Atta hingalo. Look there. He's gone. Look. Coming. Hey guys, कशे हाय तुम सगळी? आमी आयज पोती हायडवे येयले. ओके वेट, केसन विल गो. आम आयज पोतून हायडवे येयले. काली बी आम हायडवे येयलोली. आम काल शूटिंग काडलोले, शूट केलोले. But I vlog upload corona thinking that we gonna be coming at the same place today as well. आणि आम बारबो upload कोतली. अश म्हणा upload corona.
I'm excited to see the ponies. Look, this is a big tree.
That is a big tree, and you come to see the horses and meet the horses here.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
You excited now?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Go. So our baby horse, pony, that's now Cindy. So Kacey atlaita. Go, Kacey, touch. Kacey, go. Say hi, Cindy. Hi, Cindy. How old is she? 11 years. Okay.
They live to about 30.
All right. That's
She's
their
kind
age.
of young still.
Okay, yeah. She's been here last time as well, and she was feeding, so she remembered. So, Mom, can I feed them?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Treats sometimes. We don't actually have any treats.
My baby Kacey a little bit.
Is it? I'm Sophie.
And what's your brother name? Tell your brother name. Kacey. Kacey and Kacey. Yes. So ito kit ko to baby. The horse kit ko to. What is he trying to do? Ah, right. Okay. Kacey, he wants you to say nice. Say nice kota ka. Oh. Go behind. Hatle house. Hatle go. Nice go. Nice. You're tickling him. Her.
I'm not.
You are. You have to touch nicely with your palm. Go. Do it. Not with a finger. With your whole hand. Go. Touch. Nice. Yes. Well done. Come on, Kacey, touch. Nice horsey.
Calling you, Mama.
Rago. Nice horsey good. अच्छा इंगा ये ओल्डे horses तेंगेले. I don't know how old are they. ती busy है. I don't know how old are they. Ah, here it is written. Oh, it doesn't say their age. Oh no, he is from 2011. This horse is from 2011. It's now blue. And also, Ingani kona hatse. Kacey stop. Age now Philly hui. So he is from 2019. Think burilo. Hani. Yes. Come. Ani hote ane akla but again na. It's ane akla. It's a big one. Yes, I know. Ani, I think last check. I don't want to go all the way there. That's it. That's okay. I don't know. That's okay.
Look out there.
Oh, सारखं ओढला हा. Oh, सारखं ओढला सगळ्याको दिसत नका. Oh, maybe this one I think. I don't know. Nice. Kacey, how did you enjoy looking at the horses today?
Good.
Do you like looking? Last year ते हिंग गेलोले to meet the pony आणि तेका horsaचे बसयलो न्हू baby? She was allowed to sit on the horse. Eyes थिंगा horsaचे बसोवपा तेंगे staff ना आणि तेंका ते helmet बीन तेंगे सगळें घालचें पडटा तेंक बेश्टें बसोवपा मेळना for the safety purpose तेंक सगळें घालून बसोवपा पडटा so हांव तेगे पिक्चर हिंग व्लॉगां घालतलें of the last year केसन धाकलो आसलोलो so he couldn't really understand this but this time he's big and he can touch and he can like understand more of all this so तेका लागून तेका दाखोवपा हाडला okay तेका भायर हाडटा and so age now Daisy and she's 19 years go Kacey go say hi go close
This is Daisy.
say hello Daisy lagi os and touch kar pony to touch kar kai kon na to go go Kacey go nice kar baby nice kar nice hi Daisy good nice Daisy nice kar you excited she likes it you want to touch go touch go
Come on.
go he is very brave Daisy touch good well done Daisy kor baba Daisy naka pad gayi nak teja
Now. She's soft. The floor is like hay. She eats.
look
Not hungry now. She breathes and looks.
nice no Kacey touch kar nice kar nice kar nice yeah come now let's go इंची दोगांय वयताय ताका झाडां उडयश गो दोगांय वयताय तांकां हायडे बी हाडला काल हाडलो तांकां आयज पोतून हाडलो तांकां बिकॉज आयजूय बी वेदर बरो आहा आनी दे लव प्लेइंग आउटसायड. काल तांकां तितू खेळपा मेळो ना. काल आमी मातशें लेट येयलोलीं आनी मागीर जेवणा टायम जालो रोखडो. सो आयज तांकां आमी पोतून हाडलें. दीस इज द इंडो प्ले एरिया हियर. आयज तांकां व्हरतलें इंडो, बट आतां न्हू मागीर व्हरतलें. केसी कम दिस सायड, वील गो आउटडोर फर्स्ट. आउटडोर फर्स्ट. सो असो हिंगा फुटबॉल ग्राउंड आहा. Wait, I will show you. Go on.
I want to do football.
Give the bottle to me. Give the bottle to me.
I want to do football.
You can't. What's thinga? Football to ekla hetale. Go, go. Beginos. Is Kacey short sleeves shirt, t-shirt, and pant gaila. He did not do any first today. Maybe he's getting used to it now. And so I called दाखवलो ते outdoor gym workout करपाचें. आणि weather is so nice in this area. You feel so nice with that nice sun outside. So nice. ती गेली एकलें ते ऑब्स्टिकल कोर्स करपाक गेला आनी तो हूंय वयतकाय. तो काल हँड सारको जाम पडलो. ही वॉज सो टायर्ड येस्टरडे. हेड ऑन आनी घार पावता मागीर न्हिदपा करपा लागलो. बट आय केप्ट हिम अवेक आनी बेगीन नुस्त्या फ्राय केलें आनी मागीर ताका बेगीन जेवयलो. बट ही डीड नॉट स्लीप ओन्ली आफ्टर दॅट. तेदो म्हणल्यार तेगे जॅम गेली. नायस. सो काल दाखयलो ते भाशेन ते आउटडोर प्ले एरिया. तेंगेली स्लायड आनी स्विंग आनी सी शो आनी कितें आहा. आनी हिंगा बॅडमिंटन कोर्ट आहा. वचय बॅडमिंटन आनी थिंगा आहा. केसी डोंट गो इन द सॅन्ड ना. वचनाका. एंड हिंगा वचय टेबल टेनिस आहा वचय हिंगा. आनी वचय आहा. बाबली नो. You happy? Kacey, you happy? Dada bunda. Dada gunda.
Dada boom boom.
Tara boom boom.
Dada bunda. Dada boom boom. Dada boom boom.
तो मातशें उलयता. सगलें उलयना तो. सो तो तोंडाची येता मुट्टा. ती कांतरां बी चोयता. ती कांतरां तूं कितें तें तारा बूम बूम आनी कितें कांतार आहा. तेका तें तारा म्हणपा येना. तो डाडा बूम बूम म्हणटा. You like it?
Dada boom boom, same like Tala boom boom.
Yeah. Is it Dada boom boom or Tara boom boom, Kacey?
Tala boom boom.
Tara boom boom.
Tala boom boom. Tala boom boom.
Ice Kacey shoes gan eilole. Expecting that she could sit on the horses. The horses आचे flip flops gan तेंक बसपा बी allow करनाय. So तेक shoes घालपा लायलोले. shoes gan एलो ते बडे. But तेक horses आचे बसपा आयज मेळो ना because their horses have gone for rides. आनी ते horses आहाय ते तेंको स्टाफूय नासलोलो. ते सगळे किट घालपा तेका. ते हेल्मेट घालपा जाय आनी तेंगे ते कितें घालूंक पडटा. तेंगे ते बेल्ट घालून तेंका सारकें बसोवपा पडटा बिकॉज ऑफ द सेफ्टी रिजन. सो तेका आयज हॉर्साचेर बसोवंक मेळो ना. बट इवन देन शी वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी टू सी द हॉर्सेस. इजंट इट Kacey? लास्ट इयर तेका फीड करपा मेळ्ळोलें ना रे बेबी.
Yeah. I wanted to feed the baby also.
Yeah.
Dada boom boom.
Next time maybe. Come on, get down, Kacey. Come on, get down. Good boy. Boss on there.
No motion.
It's a guy. It's a hatla. What is it you said? Tractor?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a hatla. Boss on tractor. Me the tractor चलते.
Hey, it's fun.
It's fun?
Yeah.
You like it?
That is so fun, Mama. Oh, look, it's fun from the other
Good. किती झालं रे? आयज कित केलें आयज आयज तेंगे ते हॉर्सां मेळपाचो टायम आसता 9:30 to 10:30 सो हांवें तें ऑनलायन चयलोलें हांवें केसी सांगिल्लें राती आयज बेगीन न्हिदय हाल्या वी वील गो टू मीट द हॉर्सीस म्हण तें राती बेगीन न्हिदलोलें हांव बाय 9:30 कितें न्हिदोलें एंड नॉट 9:30 एक्चुअली 10 o'clock 9 देखून 9:30 देखून जागी आहलो तें आनी मागीर न्हिदोलें आनी आयज साक सांगलोलें सो यू हॅव टू वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग so that we can go and meet the horses so तें बाडे सकाळीं उठोलें आनी शी वॉज ऑल एक्सायटेड एंड बेगी रेडी जाली तेंगे ब्रेकफास्ट बी केलो शीत बी रांदिलें भाजी केली आनी कांय करपा नाका आसलोलें रेस्ट ऑफ द फूड आहलोलें कालचें सो या बेगी सकाळीं केलें आनी आमी भायर सोली to see this and eyes weather boro ha then for eyes 22 degrees ha so I think then for zata heat vattoli now it is nice and pleasant titu hot na light hot ha but it's nice yes Kason kide to inga think daunta hetta ani bogor na mama 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 mudit rahta oh so yeah dakoita ha do so Tara boom boom. Joel had to go to work today.
Tada boom boom. Tada boom boom.
Tara boom boom.
Tada boom boom. Tada boom boom. Inside the house. Tada boom boom. Hi,
I'm bringing some houses here. Any gallery? Let's see that. Kacey, no go, baby.
Yeah.
Is that your house gallery?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a slide. But we can get off.
ते वयर राहा म्हण मातशें भिवपा अशें म्हणल्यार आयज सेफ सगळ्या आर्टीच्यान ताका अशें करून तें हें गायलो हा वुडन सो अशें करून भुरगीं पडटलीं बीन कांय ना नायस लूक हांवूय बी स्विंग करता भुरगीं तीं खेळटाय नायस बरें दिसता घरांत तूं भायर सावन अशें करून भायर एनवायरमेंट चोवपा आनी भोंवपा इन दीस नेचर बरें दिसता नाजाल्यार ऑल द टायम आम घरांतू आसताय कोण यूके रावता तें खबर आसतली लायक मोस्ट ऑफ द टायम हिंग थोंडी पयस राव मोस्ट ऑफ द टायम यूके थोंडी आसता लायक मोस्ट ऑफ द टायम वी आर इन द हावस आनी मागीर बेजार येता फील डिप्रेस्ड आनी तें सगळें सो सदांचो रुटीन सकाळ उठ भुरग्यांगे कोर रांद तेंगे स्कुला पावय हाड लाय न्हावय सदांचो तोच रुटीन करून करून बेजार येता सो यू नो बरें अशें करून ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा ते दोणा भुरग्यांक हॉलिडे आसत ते दोणा आमी भायर येवपा ट्राय कोत्ताय सो या वी आर आयज अनफॉर्च्युनेटली जोयल ना आनी तेका येवपा मेळना तोय आमचे बारा आहले ब्रेन जाता तो ना जाल्यार बेजार येता आमकां घराको देखून लायक रियली नथींग टू डू अशें बट आय कीप ऑन डुईंग समथींग ऑर द अदर घरा कडेन साफ करपाचें रांदपाचें दीस तेट भायल्यान झाड रोवपाचें वडेवर हांव करीत रावता बट इवन देन जाली हॉलिडे खाबार आनी थोडेशे दीस उरले आयज वेनसडे थर्सडे फ्रायडे सॅटर्डे संडे 4 दीस उरले तितू मदें आयज म्हाका दिसता वेदर बरो आहा फाल्यां सावन आय थिंक इट्स गोना बी क्लाउडी अगेन होपफुली वोत येयल्या पुरो बट वेदराचें दाखयतालें इट्स क्लाउडी फ्रॉम टुमोरो ती चोया कित कोताय दाखयता केसन ते हाटीच्यान गेलो आहा धाकले स्लायडीचे आय कॅन सी इंग्रान सारकें दिसती पडटा तांकां लायक म्हाका तेंचे बोगले रावपा नाका खालाय तेंगे कांय हाडूं ना तेंकां आयज वॉटर बॉटल आनी खावपाक कितें फ्रुट्स एशी आनी बिस्किट्स एशी आनी कितें हाडला बिकॉज वी मायट बी हियर फॉर अ लॉंगर टायम म्हण टुडे आमी बेगीन येयले सकाळीं येयले आयज काल मातशें येता म्हणल्यार 11:30 जालोली घराकूच कोत्ता आनी येता म्हणल्यार केसी काल लेट उठलोले तेका लागोन आमी लेट बाय चोली चोय गेलो चोय लूक दोन धाडायत वाडो ताका मामा बी कोणनाका हे हाडपा बी मेळ जाल्यार बट माश्यो गो दिसती पडना बी जाल्यार मामा मामा मामाक बोवाड मारीत रावता केसी आपणा शी आहे ना मुट्टे सो हांवें स्लीवलेस घान येयला शॉर्ट पॅन्ट घायला तें घायला आनी स्लीवलेस आनी घायना तो तीन गेलो आयज हांवें आयज भुरग्यांक खावपाक स्ट्रॉबेरीज कट करून हाडलाय काल आम कांय हाडूं ना काल आम लेट येयलोली म्हणल्यार आम काल कांय हाडूं ना हिंगा धाकलेंशें शेड अशें आहा चोय बसपा चोय केसन हा टेसी काम हिंग केसन बसून खाता काल आम कांय हाडूं ना काल आम मातशें लेट येयलोली बट आयज हांव सारकें प्लॅन करून येयलां भुरग्यांक चिप्स अशे आनी फ्रुट्स अशी आनी बिस्किट्स अश्यो वॉटर आनी कितें ज्युसीस आनी कितें कितें हाडलां वी मायट बी हियर फॉर अ लॉंगर टायम म्हण कित्याक आयज मातशें दीस बरो आहा आनी मॉर्निंग येयलें जाल्यार तितू सान सारको हें जायना लायट आहा सान देन फॉर जात म्हणल्यार गोडे चोडटलो सान केसी सो गायज हेंचो हें इंडोर आहा तें हायडवे
Can I go with shoes on?
गो
But I want to no. I don't want to go with shoes on. I want to go inside the idea.
सो हेंचो हिंगा पेरंट्स बसपा हुएवर खुदो सगळें हाडपाचें चोय कोण बीग आय थिंक ते बलून मॅजिशियन येता हिंगा तेण केलें तें वॉट इज इट वॉट इज इट कितें काय तें
I don't know what is it.
I don't know either dinosaur no I don't know
And
That's
that,
a-
it is a dinosaur, Mama.
आनी हिंग एक्चुली भुरग्यांक कलरींग करपाचें हिंग तेगे कलरिंगाचे पेपर्स आनी थिंग कलर्स आनी सगळें आसत आसो दे सिट हियर एंड डू द कलरींग आनी हिंगा this area is especially for the toddlers येता आनी तेंगे सॉफ्ट टॉयज आनी they sleep here आनी crawl here बरें आहा हिंगा आनी this area is for the tea coffee sugar आहा हिंगा कोणा च्या करपा जाय कोणा कॉफी करून पिवपा जाय जाल्यार हिंग मेळटा गायज हांवें स्लो उलयता बिकॉज इतल्या लोक आहा and I don't know what this game is actually called but it's nice and it's a stools अशी बसपाची आणि हिंगा this is TV area हिंगा भुरग्यांक बसोन आसा ही व्हडली बीन बॅग हाय हे बिनाचे बसपाचें आनी हिंग TV चोवपाची प्रोजेक्टर देखून हा इन केस तुमकां कितें फिल्म करपा जाय बी जाल्यार नायस आणि there's one more here हिंगा they have character dresses अशे हाय तेंगेले घालपाचे भुरग्यांक कोणाकूय कॅरेक्टरा भाशेन ड्रेस जाय प्रिटेंड एक्ट करपा जाय बी जाल्यार हाडपा जाय जाल्यार they have all the things in here आनी केसी कितें कोत्ता चोया she's playing with the doll house आवय ताका ते doll house हाडपा सारकें लायक
It's my favorite doll house.
it's your favorite
Yeah. And this section is my other favorite.
आनी केसन रांदपालाय केसन असो गॅसी का कित कोत्ता ते ओपन करपा जाय सायडीर ओपन जात जाल्यार ते जात मरे हिचे आयदोण आहाय मग हिचे आयदोण आहाय सगळी आतां केसांचो आयदोण काणात रांदतलो मोडले गेसी मोडले ब्रोकन जाल ते वाय म्हणल्यार कितें कोणें ब्रोकन केलो आसतो न्ही तो बटन भितो गेलो येना ते हांव नको इट्स ब्रोकन आसूं आसूं गेसी आसूं आयदोण काणाचो हांडी काडटा
Nice coming to the either way. You know which nice I'm going? I'm going to the bushes side. This side. Oh, this is not.
puzzle these aren't you?
Yeah.
This is a puzzle in the form of plants.
We need to go in.
Naka. So Kacey, did you had a good time in the hideaway? Did you enjoy? See, that's the way out. Well done. You finally got it. The way out.
Let's go again.
Again, huh? Again, aspada here ka puzzle. Eat what is in your hand, Kacey. Eat it first. Finish it. Zaid got healthy. Kacey is still active. I'm surprised. Find the way out. Come on.
Oh.
Caught Mamadaga. She knows it. Well done.
Find the way out.
Find the way out. Good. Well done, Kacey. And you also eta. Well done, Kacey. So guys, तुमका आमगेले vlog like जाताय जाल्यार please like, share, comment and subscribe to KK Stories. And thank you everyone who has subscribed to our channel, and thanks to all of them, all the likes that we have got for the Easter vlogs. We have got a lot of likes and जायतो मोग तुम्ही आमकां दाखयला म्हूण thank you very much. Keep showing us the same love. आमकां जितले subscribers चोडटाय तितले आनी जितले आमकां likes येताय तितले आमकां guys we are motivated to do all this new contents galpa, new vlogs, new things that we do, or the places that we go tumka dakhopang baren disota. So keep showing the same love. Ani kone amgelo channel subscribe kelo na zaल्यार please go and subscribe to KK Stories and watch our vlogs that we have uploaded recently. Thank you so much everyone. Mogasu.